Ever wake up in the middle of the night, completely awake but unable to move, and feeling like something's sitting on your chest? Congratulations, you've just experienced sleep paralysis. For centuries, people thought it was something supernatural: demons, ghosts, even night spirits. In Slavic folklore, it was blamed on house spirits trying to choke sleepers. Creepy, right? But science says otherwise. Sleep paralysis happens when your brain wakes up before your body does. During REM sleep, your body temporarily shuts down muscle movement so you don't act out your dreams. That's normal. But sometimes your mind wakes up first while your muscles are still frozen. That's when panic sets in. And sometimes hallucinations kick in too. The good news? It's completely harmless, even if it feels terrifying. The pressure on your chest comes from shallow breathing and muscle tension. It's also more common when you sleep on your back or in an awkward position. So how do you stop it? Stay calm. Try to wiggle your fingers or move your face. That small motion can snap you out of it. Or just let yourself drift back to sleep and wake up naturally. No demons, no dark magic, just your brain and body slightly out of sync. And that's baby science for you.